guys, Kaden Scott here. Today I'm going to be showing you car noises I can make with my mouth. I've been trying to practice this for quite a long time, so here I'm going to make it on a video for the first time. And I'm going to see if you guys like it or not. So this is what I sounded with. That's literally the first sound. It was like, that was horrible. Now I can do it good. And I guess you can say, guys, comment in the section in the comments if I did good or not. Alright. I mean, that's the first one. Yeah, Carson, come in.
I know, he's a legend.
We're making a car of this.
I know.
I already did this one. Alright, I'm gonna try and do a hypercar. Alright, I tried a muscle car. I can't really do it, but it's good. It's okay. And the modded Corvette, here we go. And then a truck. And I'll do the very long one. The very long one you did. Yeah, that is, and I'm gonna try and like.
It was good. Thumbs up for that.
And make sure you subscribe to FCVG Super Bad Squad. And I'm gonna try to still make more. Okay.
And make sure to subscribe to me.
I started to do a sleeper minivan. And it's do a Mustang. Right. There you go. That's my Mustang. And then
I'll record.
Alright. Okay. And then let's try and do a 1960 truck. There you go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, let's do it. I don't know. I'm gonna try and do a hypercar again.
Sounds like a GTR. Not exactly though, but it could.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment.
Like a GTR sounds like a rumble sound, like.
Have a good day, guys.